Yeah, will you tell me that this question is very hard? No, it's very simple. Okay, let's see how we are going to unlock the mysterious number of x. So now what's the value of x in this beautiful logarithmic equation? So now we have 1 over 2 log x to power 7 over 100 plus log 100 over x squared minus log x equals 0. So now bear it in mind that x is greater than 0, and when they say x is greater than 0, it means the domain of x, so that is anything from 1 upward. Okay, you can have to infinity, you can have the solution of this around the the interval or within the interval. So now here, what are we going to do? And the reason why we cannot have x to be 0, you can see here, if x to be 0 here, everything will be 0. So, and that is, x cannot be 0 in logarithm like that. Now, so let's look at what we are going to do. So now here, I want to clear this fraction. I want to clear this 2 here. Okay, so what am I going to do? I'm going to multiply all through by 2. So that is what I can do to get rid of this, because if I multiply this one by 2 here, you can see these 2 will cancel these 2. Okay, and that's it. So we multiply through by 2, so we're going to have the equation to be log x to the power 7 then 100. Don't forget that we are multiplying by 2. We're going to be having 2 times log then 100 over s squared. Don't forget that. Then also, let me put the parentheses, then minus, don't forget we are multiplying by 2, 2 log x, then equals, if you multiply 2 by 0, so you're still going to have 0. I believe you are following. Now the next thing is that, what are we going to do again? You can see the coefficient of this logarithm here is 1. So now let it be 1 here, let it be 1 here. Okay, so therefore we are going to have log x to the power 7 over 100. Don't forget, from the law of indices, these 2 here can come here to become the power. So this is going to be plus log 100 over s squared then to power 2. The same thing applicable here, minus log x to the power 2 equals what? Equals 0. I believe you are following. Now from here, the next thing we are going to do is, we are now going to apply the law of what? Of logarithm. You see that we have addition here, and don't forget that they are of the same base, so therefore we can apply the law, be it multiplication or division. But here we are going to apply multiplication for the first and the second term here. So this is going to be log x to the power 7 divided by 100, then multiply by, multiplication is dot 100, okay, divided by s squared. Don't forget that we have this power here. This is going to be like this, and this will be raised to power 4, because this square has already affected this and this. So 100 squared, then this will be x squared raised to power 2 again, so we're going to be having x to the power 4. Then here is going to be division, okay, because it's minus x squared. Are you following? So now from there, the next thing we are going to do is, we can see that here we see something common. So I can actually have it like log x to the power 7 over 100 multiply by, this is going to give me 100, that's going to be 10,000. okay, because when you say 100 squared, we are going to be having 10,000, then divided by x to the power 4. Now here, this, I can write this x squared as over 1. okay, so now multiply by 1 over s squared. So we try to flip this s squared over 1, because we change this division sign to negative to multiplication, then equals 0. So now the next thing we're going to do, you can see that here, this 0, 100, this will cancel this here. We have 100 left here. So this is going to be log x to the power 7 multiplied by x to power 4 multiplied by x to power 2, we are going to be having x to power 6, then multiply by 100. Okay, so now from there, so this implies that we are going to be having log x to power 7 divided by x to power 6. We are going to have x, so we're going to have 100x, then we have to be equal 0. So now from here, now don't forget that the base here is 10. I have 10 here, so now we can write this as 10 to power 0. Okay, so where we're going to be having this to be 100x equals 10 to power 0, 10 to power 0, right? Then we divide both sides by what? 100, 100. This we cancel this, so we are going to be having x to be 10 to the power 0 is what? Is 1 over what? 100. So now this is the solution to the problem. Okay, so thank you so much for watching. If you like this class, kindly like, share, comment and follow our Facebook page for more exciting videos. Bye.